Hey Google, I'm home.
Welcome home.
Hello! Are you getting your key soon? Not sure where and how to start your renovation? Let me show you how to do it. Come, follow me. If you are stressed about renovation and need a reliable lobang, just head over to Renopedia.sg. Renopedia is the #1 online renovation media in Singapore which caters to all your needs. Hey Google, open all blinds. Renopedia have over 200 interior design firms and 50 product merchants for you to choose from. Once you sign up, you'll receive a free quotation from 5 to 8 interior design firms. And if you need renovation ideas, tips, or inspiration, Renopedia have over 2,000 videos and articles for you to browse through. Renopedia helps you to save up to 50% on your renovation costs. Just by signing up with Renopedia, you'll receive free travel or home insurance, e-magazines, voucher kits, and many more. Whether it is HDB, BTO, condo, 2-room, 4-room, or 5-room, full or partial renovation, they are able to do it for you. There are many themes for you to choose from: industrial theme, Scandinavian theme, Victorian theme, modern and contemporary theme, and many more. Till date, Renopedia has over 80,000 satisfied homeowners on their renovation journey. Renopedia matches you with reliable interior design firms you can entrust your home to. Using Renopedia also saves your time and hassle. Every year, Renopedia will organize an annual lucky draw. If you sign up and renovate with Renopedia, you'll stand a chance to win up to $50,000. So what are you waiting for? Faster sign up and renovate your dream home now! Click on the link down below to find out more!
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.